serums, pills, creams, herbs, surgery. We've heard them all. There are a myriad of methods on the market created to increase the bust size of a woman. The reason for this is simple. Millions of women want bigger breasts. It may be hotly debated that it is shallow to judge a person on looks. However, the fact remains that men do like a woman with a handful. The media does not help by using actresses who are well endowed. This is the hard truth, and it's going to be this way for quite some time to come. So, if you wish to increase your bust size, it's neither good nor bad. Do what makes you happy. The Booster Bust program has made many women happy. Even the most skeptical person will admit that the testimonials on the official website do look very convincing. The fact that it is an online bestseller also lends the product some credibility. But really, does it work? The product creator, Jenny Bolton, seems to think so, since she actually discovered the method through personal trial and error. Through proper diet, hormone manipulation and massage techniques, she managed to increase her bust size. This could be true since pregnant women often develop bigger breasts, and even after giving birth, their bust remains bigger than it originally was. The good point. 1. The Booster Bust program is step-by-step and easy to follow. You will not be inundated with unnecessary information. You are only given pertinent points and helpful techniques. All you need to do is follow, and that's pretty easy. 2. The program is comprehensive. These are several modules that serve a specific purpose to teach and guide you to get a bigger bust. In Chapter 1, you're told exactly what to expect. In Chapter 2, you learn the breast enlargement principles. You get cheat sheets in Chapter 3. The most crucial aspect is covered in Chapter 4, hormones. There are other chapters that are highly beneficial too. 3. The program takes time to see results. This is comforting, because if you could do this in a week, it would make the program very suspect. Booster Bust states that it will take around 6 months to fully reach your potential as far as breast enhancement goes, so it's not hyped up beyond reason. 4. The author also gives you her personal email should you need help. This is very comforting. In most cases, once you buy the product, you're on your own. It's very kind of Jenny to provide after-purchase email consultation. The bad points: you will need to buy some herbal supplements to complement the program, so there are some added costs, but it's not that much. The products recommended are inexpensive and easily available. Should you get it? This is a decision you'll have to make for yourself. Since the product has a 100% money-back guarantee, we'd recommend that you give it a try, since there is no risk. It has helped many women. It may help you, and the author says that the results are permanent. That's more than you can expect with pills or creams, which are a waste of money. A bigger bust may make you more attractive to men, but it will also give you more self-confidence, and if you've always been upset about being flat-chested, this product may give you happiness once you've gone up a cup size or 2. That is definitely worth trying for. Everybody deserves to be happy, so if you want to give it a try, then you can click at the link below this video to visit their sites. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video. See you next.